Based on the natural progression of multimodality, the top 7 most transformational abilities that may be predicted from GPT-5 are listed below. GPT-5 has the potential to create interactive, real-time media, which would enable things like video games and movies to have dynamic, evolving storylines that change depending on the viewer's interactions or search history, or even our mood and engagement, preferred content genre, or any other factor. This could result in a revolution in the way that people consume media and unique entertainment. The development of robots with extraordinary levels of general intelligence in the actual world may be enabled by the GPT-5. It could even wash dishes, take out the trash, and perform other duties with the right robotic arms and manipulators.